Here is a Square D Masterpact NW25H. Recently needed repair. Broken mechanism. You can see that pin there, completely sheared from here to here. Even blew out the left side. This is all bent out over here. Also had a bent spring discharge linkage that's on the right hand side of the breaker. Somebody may not have been using the proper defeat tool, pulled up too high. If you don't have a defeat tool and you need to lift up by hand, only lift high enough until this engages to get it to charge. Do not lift up too high, you will bend that bar. We've got it hooked up to 120 volts AC. We are going to operate this a few times and test the anti-pump as well. This time we'll test the anti-pump. Still holding the close button. We tripped, still holding close, release it. You hear that closed solenoid releasing. Reapply. We tripped. Go ahead and release it close. Everything on this breaker is operating as it should.